We found with Semiotic Labs a partner which adds a very important cornerstone within the learning steel plant. SMS Group is a leading partner in the world of metals. We are a plant supplier in the industry for steel, aluminum, copper and other metals since about 150 years. SMS Group invests in digital transformation and innovation, helping our customers to get the most out of their plants, machines and processes.
SAM4 is a predictive maintenance system for critical industrial electric motors and rotating equipment such as pumps, compressors, conveyors and more. It monitors 24/7, detects upcoming failures up to 5 months in advance and alerts our clients so that they can schedule inspections, repairs or replacements well before assets fail, thus eliminating unplanned downtime.
SAM4 of Semiotic Labs gives benefit to our system in the field of monitoring electrical motors and rotating parts, and especially in maintaining these assets predictively. We reach a milestone on our roadmap to have a comprehensive condition monitoring solution and a predictive maintenance system from a single equipment to a complete entity.
The partnership with SMS Group is meaningful to us in a number of ways, but there are two I'd like to highlight. The first one is that in SMS we found a partner that, like us, is focused on delivering top-notch quality to their clients. We want to build better products day in and day out and keep improving. Secondly, the combination of SMS Group's deep domain expertise and experience in the steel industry with our technology and our data science skills will lead to better business outcomes for us, but most importantly, for our shared clients.
This partnership gives new possibilities to our customers. By improving availability and quality of rotating assets, the overall equipment effectiveness is improved permanently. That reduces energy and CO2 emissions, and this achieves significant cost reductions and product quality improvements.